Okay, we're going to talk about assembling the large bamboo Cascade waterfall unit. It comes in parts, so we'll go through it and show you how it goes. You've got the main section here, and attached is the back leg, and the hose goes through it already. That all comes like that when you get it out of the box. You've got the two front legs, 4 pins, 2 large ones, 2 small ones, and the cross sections, 1 large, 1 small, which goes through the front legs. So I'll make a start. So the hose is attached already. Be careful when you put it in, you don't kink the hose. So if there's too much hose there, just pull it through, just to take out the slack there. And then it just slides into there. It can be a bit tight because it's made of natural bamboo. Every piece can be slightly different. Get the large pegs and just line up the holes basically. First one almost through. Once the first one's gone through, the second one we go through a bit easier. Quite tight so they don't drop out. Just be careful pushing those in because if you too much force they can break. That's the back leg in place. Then the 2 front legs. These are slightly different. The where you got the small gap is the top, and where the big gap is the bottom of the leg. And then also if you turn them around, there's a bigger hole that goes on the inside touching the main section, and that applies to both of them as well. So you get the 2 legs and the 2 pins. Then hold up the legs into place, so the larger hole on the inside, and the smaller pin goes at the top through the hole in the main section of the bamboo. You can see it pokes out to the side. Then the next part goes through the hole here. Pushes through. So the bamboo stick out like that. And then on the end of the bamboos there's some little tiny holes on each one where the small pins go through to hold it in place. We're going to line up the other leg now, so with the big holes on the inside. As you can see. Again, just line up the holes so they go through. A good tip is, don't have to have it, but a good tip is to get like a mallet and just bang them in. You can see they're a bit like an A-frame shape at the front. They're leaning towards the top. Just bang them in. A little bit of force, but not too much. So you can see the holes there, you see. Put the 1 peg in. Can be a bit tight. If they are a bit tight, again, don't put too much force on. A good tip is if you get like a little screwdriver or a bradawl, just to make the hole, a little bit fraction bigger first, but that goes in there. Okay, that one, and then the other one. You see the hole's not showing yet, so I'm going to push the leg in, and then the other peg goes through there, and there we are. It's ready to work. Just obviously attach the hose to your pump, and the water will come out here and then run down there into the pond and give you a nice feature. Thank you.